Now let's create the structure for our direct messages component, which will be underneath our channels component. It will allow users to send messages directly to other users. So within side panel, we'll add the component direct messages under channels, and we'll create a file for it in the side panel folder. Up at the top, we'll import React. This will be a stateful component. So we'll call this class direct messages. We'll have its return and render. We'll make sure to export it at the bottom, the export default. And we'll import it within side panel before we forget. And it'll be in the same folder. And our direct messages, the structure of the component will look very similar to how we structured our channels component. We'll import menu and icon from Semantic UI, and our main component will be menu.menu with a class name of menu. And it'll contain a menu item, once again with a span, an icon within it, with the name mail, with the text in all caps of direct messages. Then we'll include our curly braces and our quotes with a space in between to space it from our parentheses, which will include the length of the number of channels that we'll have, and we'll designate that with this users property within state. We'll destructure users, then render. So we'll get the number of direct messages channels with users.length. Then underneath the menu item, we'll include a comment. It'll tell us later that's where we'll iterate over the users that we'll be able to send direct messages to. Then back in channels, you'll notice that we had the style prop on the menu where we're setting padding bottom to 2 We'll replace that with the class name of menu, and within app.css we'll create that menu class. So this menu class will be within our side panel, and we'll just give it a rule where we set padding bottom to 2 So now we have the basic structure for our direct messages component.